Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Radina Awarda binti Muhammad Liza. Today, I would like to talk about social media that I prefer. Social media that I prefer the most is YouTube. The reason is because YouTube is easy to use and it has a lot of useful videos that we can watch. I usually use it to improve my subject, like watching videos on how to improve my English, learning more about history, and so on. I think social media is suitable for all age. For example, kids can watch channels like Cocomelons or Kids Video. But social media should be used carefully because it can affect our eyes if we use it for too long without taking a break. Thank you.